ChatGPT just released their new feature for day 7 of their 12 days of OpenAI releases, and it is one of the most requested features. I personally find this feature very helpful, and it is projects. This feature, which goes on the sidebar, allows you to group related chats, files, and instructions into organized folders, making it much easier to manage tasks, brainstorm ideas, or work on complex projects without the chaos of a cluttered sidebar. In this quick video, I'll have a brief overview of projects and how to effectively implement them in your daily life workflow. So creating a project is simple. You click the plus button next to projects, name your project, and assign it a color for easy identification. Once inside, you can upload files, add chats, and set specific instructions for just that project. For example, if you are working on a coding project, you can upload your code files and ask ChatGPT for debugging help or request feature improvements directly in context. All your resources and conversations are stored neatly within the project folder, so you don't need to repeatedly upload or explain the same context. One interesting detail is that Projects is currently only available with GPT-4o. And this is interesting because, as we all know, their new O1 is a lot better for coding tasks than their 4o. But this exclusivity seems intentional, and I think it actually hints at OpenAI's plans to introduce GPT-4o probably on their last day of the 12 days of OpenAI releases. And by restricting this feature to 4o, OpenAI might be laying the groundwork for those new models and ensures the projects are optimized for their most advanced capabilities. Another great aspect is the ability to set custom instructions for each project. You can customize how ChatGPT responds within that folder, tailoring it to your needs. For instance, you might prefer a professional tone for work-related projects or a more casual tone for personal tasks. This customization would ensure that each project maintains its own character and purpose, making the feature even more versatile. You can also organize your older chats by moving them into a project. Simply click the 3 dots next to any existing chat and you can drag it over to your project. Projects are still being rolled out to all users. It is currently available for ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team subscribers. Overall, I think projects are a well thought out feature that you should implement in your daily lives, and also add a much needed layer of organization and efficiency into ChatGPT.